How to clean install the Windows 11 24H2 preview on unsupported PC. Hey everyone, and let's get started. Today we'll be discussing about some steps that you can use to clean and install the Windows 11. To start up with the process, number 1 is preparing a bootable USB drive. Use a 8GB or larger USB drive. Download the Rufus and the latest Windows 11 Insider Preview ISO file from the browser. Run the Rufus, select the ISO file, and configure Rufus to bypass the hardware requirements. Next step is to set up the BIOS for the boot. Insert the USB drive into the old laptop. Access the boot menu usually by pressing F2, F12 or Escape during the startup. Select the USB drive to boot from. Install the Windows 11 as the third step. Follow some of the on-screen prompts to begin the installation. Format the existing partitions and select the primary drive for installation. Proceed with the installation and let the computer restart several times. While completing the setup, finalize the installation by connecting to the internet to check the updates and drivers. After that, check for the installation, verify that Windows 11 24H2 is installed and running properly on the unsupported hardware. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.